Attorney General Pam Bondi standing by her top prosecutor in the Eastern District of Virginia. Let's bring in Fix California's senior advisor, political analyst, and attorney, Katie Zachariah. Katie, great to have you on. So a federal court ruled today, talking about the stepping off point here, Alina Habba is unlawfully serving in New Jersey as their top prosecutor. But you think they can win on this Lindsay Halligan thing and get her back in, maybe prosecuting Comey and Letitia James?
Yes, Trace. Look, the first point is that the district court judge did not rule on the veracity of the claims on Comey and Letitia James, only on the U.S. attorney appointment of Lindsay Halligan. And Pam Bondi, Attorney General Pam Bondi, has an extremely valid argument in that she can argue 28 United States Code, Section 546, Section A, allows her the ability to appoint Lindsay Halligan with two exceptions. 120 days has expired, or the Senate has denied this through the blue slip process, neither of which have happened, Trace. So It is, in my opinion, that there is an extremely valid argument for Lindsay Halligan. That's a little bit different than Alina Habba because of this 120-day rule. But Lindsay Halligan, I think, will stand, Trace.
Meantime, the LA Times writes the following here, quoting, Los Angeles County supervisors plan to vote soon on an ordinance that would prohibit law enforcement, including immigration and customs enforcement agents, from wearing masks or disguising their identities while conducting operations in unincorporated LA, probably setting up a county or a legal battle with the Trump administration. Can a county tell the feds what to do, Katie?
Absolutely not. And we're looking at this, Trace, right now with United States v. Gavin Newsom. Gavin Newsom tried to pass two pieces of legislation, no secret police, no vigilantes, neither of which will stand because we have this amazing clause in our Constitution. It's called the Supremacy Clause. And we have long-standing laws or long-standing cases, McCulloch v. Maryland, Arizona v. United States, which support that states and counties cannot regulate federal authorities. Those federal officers likely will be able to keep on their masks because of the Supremacy Clause, Trace, and we will win. And Gavin Newsom should stop wasting our tax dollars on these ridiculous lawsuits. There are other things to be spending our tax dollars on.
Yeah, we talked about these shootings in Stockton, California, killed 3 kids. Everyone believes it was gang-related. They have evidence that points to it being gang-related. The LA Times has the following headline here, 4 dead, including 3 children in shooting at family event in Stockton. Nothing about gang ties, nothing about targets. But here's the local sheriff. Listen to him.
We're confident that this was not a random act. They walked into this area and was probably looking for somebody in particular.
The LA Times, Katie, knows exactly what happened here, as does the rest of the news media. But for some reason, they just won't. They can't bring themselves to release the information if it is not or somehow is damaging to anybody they believe should be in office.
And here's the thing, Stockton has 2 times greater the crime rate of any other city in the nation. This is the city, the highest crime rate in California. When I drive up and down I-5, I drive right past Stockton. This is Gavin Newsom's neighbor of Sacramento, and it is a lawless city. And the fact that the LA Times is not reporting on this accurately only shows that they are protecting the lawlessness as is happening across our state, where crime goes unregulated and all the innocent people, including 4 children, suffer because of it.
Bingo. Katie Zachariah, thank you. We appreciate it.
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.